Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. How many times you've been to the grocery store, you go to the back when you get home, you let down the tailgate, you try to reach in, and all of your apples and bananas and milk is all the way at the back of the bed. You don't want that, right? That's why you're going to get this, my friend, the Last Boks, called so, because this is the last box that you're ever going to need. You got a full-size truck, got a mid-size truck, doesn't matter, it's going to fit inside of there, and it's going to last. Why? Because this whole thing is made from a single sheet of polyethylene. Am I a scientist? Absolutely not, but I'll tell you what that means. Unlike some of the other guys that are made from different pieces, different sheets, it ain't gonna be tearing up on you. It's durable, and look at this, it's anti-skid because of the material on there. So whatever you put on here, it ain't gonna be sliding back and forth by the time you get home. The bananas are ruined, the fish are all over the place. I don't know what you buy. Bottom line though, it's gonna take care of your stuff. And made right here in the good old US of A, so you're buying American, which is always important, and probably most important for me because I lack good installation skills. No tools are required. You're not going to be drilling into anything, no hammer, no nails, no whatever, no glue. Simply got these guys right here, put them into the tie downs in your bed, bingo, bongo, it's in, and you ain't got to worry about a thing, my friend. Take down the tailgate, reach in, grab it, whatever you do, get the Last Boks. Available right now at MidwestAftermarket.com. You more old school, don't want to get on the webs, that's okay. Pick up the phone, give us a call, but trust me, you're going to want to get this guy right here. It's the Last Boks. Again, it's the last box you're ever going to need. I'm Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We'll see you next time.